Basically, what we need to do here is to get rid of this x right here. Meaning, we're going to say 3x, the 3x here, multiplied by x. Okay, we're going to multiply it by x. Then we say plus a 5 over x multiplied by x. So throughout, we're going to multiply by x, which is equal to a 12 multiplied by x. So this is the first thing that we're going to do. So when we multiply by x throughout, we're going to get 3x power a 2 plus a 5 is equal to a 12x, because this x and the x will cancel. Okay, so if you can see nicely, this is a quadratic equation. So solving this quadratic equation, we have to put it in standard form. So it will be 3x power 2 minus 12x plus a 5 is equal to a 0. So we can solve it by either completing the square method or just by quadratic formula. So let me just use the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula looks like this. So this is the quadratic formula right over here. Okay. So what is our A? Our A is right over here, B and C. So our job is just to substitute in the equation. So let's substitute and see what we're getting. This will be negative. There's a negative 12 here. Put it inside the brackets. Plus or minus root over negative 12. Remember to put it inside the brackets because it has got a negative sign, this negative 12. So 3 and a 5 here over a 2, our A is a 3. So let's, we're running out of space. Let's create some space. So let me copy, I write it here. So I'm just copying. We've got negative 12, positive or negative, root over negative 12 squared minus 4, A is a 3 and a 5 here. Everything over 2, 3, like that. Okay, so when we simplify here, we're going to get a 12 plus or minus root over 84 over a 6. So let's just go through here. Let's just confirm if what you're getting is okay. So I've got negative 12 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5. So it's 84. It's what we've gotten. Now we're going to say, from this stage, we shall say x is equal to a 12 plus root over 84 over 6, or 12 minus root over 84 over a 6. This is how we're going to write it. Of which, the first one here, when we punch on our calculator, 12 plus root of 84, it's giving us a 21. We're getting a 21.16515,139. We divide it by a 6. So when we divide by 6, our answer is coming out to be a 3.527525232. Writing this in two decimal places, we're going to have a 3.53. So this is one of our solutions. The other solution, we shall get this other one here. Okay, so we've got 12 minus root over 84 over 6, sorry. So this, when we punch on our calculator, it's giving us a 2.83484861. Then we divide by a 6. When you divide by a 6, we are getting a 0.4724747683. And writing this in two decimal places, it will be a 0.47. This is our answer. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've learned one or two things out of this. This has been Sichamba Jacob.